Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create cards in Bootstrap. First thing, creating your HTML document, okay? Then you import or link or whatever you want to your Bootstrap. After that, we are going to need an image, okay? I'm going to use that image because we are going to do some cards with image, okay? Then to create the first and easiest card, you are going to use a div with a class card. And inside of that div, you create another div with a class card body, which will allow you to do whatever you want in your body. Getting a little bit more complex, after your card class, in the first div, you can create a card header, body, and footer, which the card header should be in the top and the footer in the bottom. Okay? Now you will have a class with a container. The container is just not really needed. I just put it so we'll touch the size of the screen. The H2 is just what I'm going to tell you. That's we are going to use the contextual classes in cards, which will be the background, primary, success, info, and warning. If you watch my video about colors in Bootstrap, you should check it, okay? And you'll have the text white in the most of them, except the lighter ones, okay? Because you cannot read dark text in a dark background, okay? It's basic, but we will just simply create a normal card instead of having only a card with background, primary, text white. You can change that word and you can change the color of the text. Inside of it, you do whatever you want. In here, you can check that after our card, we create the card body, of course, so you can do everything you want in the body, and in the body you can put headings such as links, okay? You can put everyone in the body. After that, it comes with an image, okay? You create a normal card. The width is going to be 400 pixels, so don't mess our photo. Let me just check it is responsive or not. It's responsive. You see, it is really responsive, okay? It's a card, so it will not get into the whole page, but gets small. Then we create an image tag with the card, with the class card image top, with the source of the image and the alternative text for it. Of course, don't forget you have to put the image out of the div card body, because otherwise, right? It will not have the full width card. See, it's like just put the image above the card body. Instead of card body, you still can put whatever you want. This link is slightly different. Instead of being a raw link, it's a ring button class that will turn links, buttons, and inputs into this gorgeous button. And then you put button primary, which will change the color of text and the background of the button. Okay? Now the stretched link. We just added stretched link to the link, so you can click in whatever place of cards. You can click in the image and outside the button, and it will send you another page. So I'm just going to put Google. Okay, you can click in the button, you go to Google. Click in the border, go to Google. In the image, Google. Okay, I just put like that because I don't want to have the word, but https .com. Okay, I don't know how to create the link, but that's how you do it, right? That's how you do it. You can put the href to whatever you want. Now using your own image for overlay, okay? You can simply change the width if you want to. The card image should be on top. The image doesn't change anything, but the div class card image overlay instead of card body, okay? And then you put the title, you put the paragraph, you put the button, you put whatever you want. Text is here, but different. Now the card columns is just basically a grid of cards, okay? You can create first big div, right, which will be card column class. Then you are going to create each individual class, the class of card and the background the color you want to. After that you put card body and text center. Text center is just to center the text, the card body, and is simply to be able to change what's in the body of the card. In the card text is the text of the card. Okay, you can put as many as you want. Will say responsive, you can also inspect it, and it is responsive, full responsive, read, full nice. Now we are going to do the card deck, okay? Div class with the card deck, you put a card and the background you want. In there you can put card body, and if you want the text center, you don't need to center the text, of course. It's basically the same thing, but you'll leave these margins there and paddings, the white spaces between those, and after that they will also be always the same width and the same height. Okay? You can see that the first needed more space, second, third, and fourth will get the space too, and it's of course great. Finally, the card group. The card group is just the same thing as before, but without a space between those. It's really the same thing. You can inspect it and it will create a small space when responsive on the phone or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you soon.